And to finish, couples and torques. A couple is a pair of forces that don't accelerate an object, but they do cause it to spin faster and faster. So here you can see the total force on the object, the resultant force is 0, so that means the acceleration will be 0. But you can see it's a bit like a Catherine wheel. You can see that the forces are going to make the object spin faster and faster and faster in the anti-clockwise direction. A torque is just the total moment due to a couple, but it has this formula, this shortcut formula. So the shortcut formula is the torque is one of the forces multiplied by the perpendicular distance between the forces. Now remember, use your corner of your ruler as a really quick way to do it, to check for right angles. So there's my 10 Newton force and the distance arrow is perpendicular to it. There's my other 10 Newton force and the distance arrow is perpendicular to it. So that 5 meters is the perpendicular distance between the forces. Now just be careful here, because people often forget that it is just, that F is one of the forces, not both of them. So 10 times perpendicular distance between them, 50 Newton meters. You can prove that this formula works if you just choose a point between them and then work out the moment due to this one and the moment due to that one and add them together. You can prove that this formula is the same. And so here's just a little 1 marker to finish up today. Okay, so the force at X is a normal contact force, and the force at Y is a normal contact force as well. How do we know they're not a couple? Well, both of them are acting upwards. And if they're a couple, they need to be acting in opposite directions so that they add up to 0. Okay, that's forces finished. Tomorrow is a forces practice question day.